Andrew dwi astudio Cymraeg, dwi'n neud gradd Cymraeg yma, dwi'n mwynhau. I come from Michigan, and there's a little place called Grand Rapids in Michigan, and it's called Beer City, USA. My mom grew up there, and it's one of the best places in the world. We have 5 Great Lakes. The best one is called Lake Michigan, and that's where I grew up going to, and my friends are there, so it just makes it all better. I was at a dance in Grand Rapids, and I met a husband and a wife who are professors and were wanting to learn Welsh. Actually, they were learning Welsh. And so at one point, I had the two of them and this librarian in Grand Haven, which is where my mom lives in Michigan, who listens to Radio Company all day, through the day, the working day. So I had the 3 of them at this university, just an empty lecture room. I had 3 of them there, and I was trying to teach them Welsh with what little Welsh I knew at the time. It was like the blind leading the blind, basically. But that was an experience. The first year for Welsh for Beginners, we start off with the Welsh for Adults Center down on Dean Street, and you're just sort of in this classroom. It's really kind of a casual setting, and you're with people from the community who are wanting to learn Welsh. You learn the language how people actually talk, rather than, academic language. So it's really beneficial because then you can go off to the local pub here in Bangor, a Globe, so the Welsh pub, and you can practice out some of your phrases or whatever, and surprise your friends with some little things here and there. If you're even considering, wanting to learn Welsh or wanting to take it to an academic level, I would definitely recommend this course, because you get you get the foundational year of learning Welsh, and then you have lectures with some of the most wonderful lecturers and such specialists in their field. So sometimes you can have very small group settings with these lectures, and you just feel like you're kind of in awe, because you're kind of like, how is this person, they're so intelligent, and like I have them to myself, so you kind of like are you just kind of like soak up their knowledge, or try to. So it's quite a privilege, really.